Good day, guys. It's another day the Lord has made, so you have to make it count, right? And because normally as a trader, you have to go through your rules and plans before you start trading. So before I start trading, I'll be sharing with you guys my rules, like some of my rules, like few of my rules. I have a lot, like a lot of rules, but I'll be sharing few to you guys, like maybe three and what I normally do before I like hop into the chart, right? So before we start analyzing the market, guys, you have to like go through yourself, like your emotion, to check if you're in a good state of mind, because a lot might be happening, maybe family issues, wife issues, like a lot, man. But you have to like set aside those stuffs, man. Like you have to drop them. Like if you have a trading office, you want to enter your office, like at the door of your office, you have to keep all those things there, right? You have to come free-minded. Yes. So and again, I'll have to check my balance, and I should be able to like give account of what I'm able to risk for that day, right? Normally I do take two trades in a day, two setup. I do take two setups in a day. And the last thing I'll be giving to you guys, this is very, very important. You have to say to yourself, it's if today goes well or bad, alhamdulillah. So over here, this is the DXY. And if you're a trader, if you want to work, you have to start from the higher time frame, right? So this is the 1 week, and you have to start from this time frame down to the lower time frame, right? So if I'm to apply Fibonacci, right, you can see that the market has triggered the most important level and most important zone, which is our fib level, the 0.5 and the 0.6. So in this scenario, what are we going to be doing here? We'll be expecting the DXY to break. Like now, we have to take out our Fibonacci because it's of no use again. So now, if we want to like map out the current level where we might want to see this market come to, where are we going to map out, guys? This is the zone. This is the zone where we are going to map out. I'm sorry, I cannot really explain why it has to be this zone. So if you want to really know how to find zones, right, go and watch my videos. Go and watch my previous videos. I've taught you guys on how to find zone, so you will know the reason why I'm mapping this zone, why I want to see DXY, why I want to see DXY drop down to this why I want to see DXY drop down to this zone, right? So go watch my previous video. Okay, in a scenario like this, now we've known our draw on liquidity. So what's the next thing? We'll go and find our entry. Why I won't see this trade go back up, like why I won't see this trade go back up from where it is now currently, is because of this zone that we are having. It's because of these zones that we are having. If you notice, we are having multiple zones here. So this is the reason why this trade will be going back down, down up onto this zone. I believe you know this line. This line is the zone that I mark. And if you want to know how or why I mark that zone, or why the trade will come down there, guys, I've taught you guys before. So go watch my previous video. Okay, in a scenario like this, what are we going to do next? We've known our drawn liquidity. What is drawn liquidity? Where the market is going to next. So we are going to like come down to the lower time frame in order to what? Find our what? Our entry. So that is the next work. That is your next duty when you've gotten your drawn liquidity. Sorry guys, it's a bit sorry, and so sorry guys, I'm using my phone for this analysis. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. I have to just like give you guys, just as I promised, that I'm going to analyze the market for you guys. It's been a while. It's been a crazily while. Been a while, been a while, been a while. And this is the daily time frame, right? We cannot find a daily time frame for we cannot find an entry in a daily time frame, right? Because the daily time frame we use it for just analysis, not to find entry. So if we come to the 4 hours, the 4 hours is a bit clear enough, but not that clear for me. It's a bit clear enough, but not that clear for me. So where I want to use in these 4 hours, because you have to be very, 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 very patient. Now to put my Fibonacci from the in order to enter for a trade in a downtrend, you have to like put your Fibonacci from the high, recent high to the recent low, right? So I will want to, or have to, I'm coming guys. Let me break down to the 1 hour to get a clearer picture. The 4 hours is kind of complicated, or complicating, will I say. When I know verse, I'm not too perfect for English. If you don't get money, you don't finish. You don't need to do any big English. Okay, guys, I want to see the market. Let me take out the Fibonacci because I've seen my zone where I want to see the market come to. I have to be patient enough to wait for the market. I have to be patient enough to wait for the market to come back to this place. I have to be patient enough to wait for the market to come and sweep this high. So if the market is able to come and sweep this high and tap this line, then I'll go in for a sell. Sorry, a buy on other currency pair. Remember, I'm trading DXY and I'm analyzing DXY and we don't normally trade the DXY. So I'll be patient enough to see the market come down here. It's a long trade, guys. It's a long trade. It's a long trade. It's a trade that you can just like that will take. It's a trade that might take 2 to 3 weeks, guys. And my stop loss will be at the previous high. So that is it. That is it. So when this trade triggers, I will just when this market triggers my entry, I will just go on to other currency pair. Like I will just I'll just go on to other currency pairs like Euro USD to just buy because I want the DXY to go down, so I'll just go and buy. So that is it. It's your favorite trader, Mr. Forex. See you guys next time and salam. Love ya.